Our planet, a sphere of breathtaking beauty, operates on fundamental principles like gravity and water flow. Yet, hidden in remote corners are anomalies where these rules seem to bend or shatter entirely. From lakes that petrify creatures to mysterious lights in the sky, these places challenge our understanding. Join me as we explore 10 of the most bewildering places on Earth, where science falls silent and wonder takes over. Prepare to have your perception of reality tested as we uncover the extraordinary mysteries of our planet. Our first stop is Lake Natron in Tanzania, a body of water with a blood-red hue and a deadly secret. The lake's caustic waters preserve creatures in lifelike stone forms, a natural mummification process. Its extreme chemical composition due to volcanic geology creates a hostile environment, yet it supports a unique ecosystem including tilapia and flamingos thriving where others perish. Lake Natron challenges our perception of a lake not as a source of life but as a preserver of death. It stands as a testament to nature's formidable power and the mysteries it holds. This macabre gallery reminds us of the extraordinary forces at play on our planet. In Norway's Hessdalen Valley, strange luminous orbs light up the night sky. Known as the Hessdalen Lights, these orbs move unpredictably, defying logical explanation. Scientists have studied them for decades, yet their origin remains a mystery. Theories range from ball lightning to plasma phenomena, but none fully explain their behavior. The lights are a real physical phenomenon, captured on film but still unexplained. They continue to intrigue and baffle, a luminous question mark in the Norwegian sky. The Hessdalen Lights remind us of the mysteries that still elude scientific understanding. In Minnesota's Judge C.R. Magny State Park, the Brule River performs a hydrological magic trick. At Devil's Kettle, half the river vanishes into a pothole, its destination unknown. Researchers have tried dyes, ping-pong balls, and GPS trackers, all swallowed by the kettle. Theories of underground caves or fault lines seem unlikely given the area's solid volcanic rock. Recent studies suggest the water rejoins the main river from an underwater opening. Measurements show nearly identical water flow above and below the falls, supporting this idea. Yet, without definitive tracing, a shadow of mystery remains over this geological feature. Devil's Kettle challenges our understanding of rivers and the unseen paths they may take. It stands as a reminder of the Earth's hidden complexities and the puzzles they present. This enigmatic site continues to captivate and confound, a testament to nature's secrets. The vanishing river invites us to question what lies beneath the surface of our world. It is a place where science meets wonder, and certainty gives way to curiosity. Devil's Kettle remains a captivating enigma, a natural wonder that defies easy explanation. The Bermuda Triangle, a notorious stretch of the North Atlantic, is infamous for unexplained disappearances. Stories of vanishing ships and planes like Flight 19 fuel its mysterious reputation. Theories range from methane gas eruptions to magnetic anomalies affecting navigation. Some argue the triangle's legend is exaggerated, with disappearances not statistically significant. Yet the public imagination remains captivated by tales of electronic fogs and malfunctioning compasses. The Bermuda Triangle challenges our understanding of the ocean and the forces at play. It stands as a symbol of the unknown, a place where science and folklore intertwine. For those affected, it remains a deep and unsettling mystery, a reminder of the ocean's power. The triangle invites us to explore the boundaries of our knowledge and the stories we tell. It is a place where reality and myth converge, leaving us to ponder the unexplained. The Bermuda Triangle continues to intrigue, a testament to the enduring allure of mystery. It is a reminder that some questions may never be fully answered, leaving room for wonder. In California's Death Valley, the sailing stones of Racetrack Playa defy explanation. These rocks, some as heavy as a person, move across the dry lakebed, leaving tracks behind. The phenomenon puzzled scientists for decades, with theories ranging from winds to magnetic fields. In 2014, the mystery was solved. A rare combination of water, ice, and wind moves the stones. Shallow water freezes overnight, forming ice sheets that push the rocks when the wind blows. The sailing stones reveal the delicate physics at play in nature's grand design. This elegant solution shows that even the most mysterious phenomena can have simple explanations. The stones remind us of the beauty and complexity of the natural world. They invite us to look closer, to seek understanding in the seemingly inexplicable. The sailing stones are a testament to the power of observation and the pursuit of knowledge. They stand as a symbol of nature's wonders, waiting to be discovered and understood. The mystery of the sailing stones is a reminder of the surprises that await in the world around us. In the Peruvian Amazon, the boiling river defies geological expectations. This river, with temperatures exceeding 90 degrees Celsius, is a sacred site for the Ashaninka people. Without a nearby volcano, its heat source puzzled scientists until a unique geothermal system was proposed. Rainwater seeps deep into the earth, heats up and resurfaces miles away as the boiling river. This phenomenon challenges our understanding of geothermal activity and the legends that hold truth. The boiling river is a reminder of the Earth's hidden forces and the stories they inspire. It invites us to explore the connections between science and mythology, revealing profound truths. The boiling river stands as a testament to the power of nature and the mysteries it holds. In Antarctica, Blood Falls emerges from the Taylor Glacier, a crimson spectacle. The source is a subglacial lake sealed off for over 1 million years, rich in salt and iron. When the iron-rich water meets oxygen, it oxidizes, creating the blood-red color. Blood Falls reveals a unique microbial ecosystem thriving in isolation and darkness. This phenomenon offers insights into life in extreme environments, both on Earth and beyond. Blood Falls is a window into a hidden world, challenging our understanding of life and survival. It stands as a testament to the resilience of life and the mysteries that lie beneath the ice. In Knaresborough, England, the Petrifying Well turns objects to stone. The well's high mineral content coats items in travertine, creating a stone-like appearance. This natural process fueled centuries of folklore, blending myth with geology. The Petrifying Well is a testament to the power of natural chemistry and the stories it inspires. It invites us to explore the intersection of science and legend, revealing the wonders of our world. The well stands as a symbol of nature's ability to transform and captivate. It is a reminder of the beauty and mystery that lie in the everyday and the extraordinary. In Namibia's grasslands, fairy circles create a mesmerizing pattern. These barren patches surrounded by taller grass have sparked scientific debate. Theories include termite activity and plant competition, each with compelling evidence. The circles challenge our understanding of ecological patterns and the forces shaping them. They invite us to explore the balance between competition and cooperation in nature. Fairy circles are a testament to the complexity and beauty of the natural world. They stand as a symbol of the mysteries that still elude scientific explanation. The circles remind us of the intricate connections within ecosystems and the puzzles they present. They are a beautiful enigma, a natural wonder that captivates and confounds. Fairy circles invite us to ponder the unseen forces that shape our world. In Turkmenistan's Karakum Desert, the door to hell burns continuously. This fiery crater, created by a drilling accident, has been ablaze for over 50 years. It offers a unique opportunity to study combustion and extreme environments. The crater is a man-made disaster, yet a natural laboratory for scientific exploration. It challenges our understanding of geological forces and the consequences of human actions. The door to hell is a reminder of the power beneath our feet and the mysteries it holds. It stands as a symbol of the unexpected outcomes of our interactions with the Earth. The crater invites us to reflect on the balance between exploration and preservation. From Tanzania's calcifying waters to Turkmenistan's burning gates, we've explored Earth's mysteries. These places challenge our understanding and remind us of the secrets our planet holds. They fuel our curiosity and drive us to explore, question, and learn. The pursuit of knowledge is a journey without end, filled with wonder and discovery. Our planet's capacity to surprise us is its greatest wonder, inviting us to embrace the unknown.